everybody, welcome back to Samsung in a Minute, the channel that trains you on your Samsung Galaxy devices in around 2 minutes. Today we're going to take a look at a way that you're able to edit photos, and it's called Spot Fixer. So let's say that you took a photo of either yourself, a friend, a family member, and there was just something that wasn't perfect in the image. Maybe there was a brand new scratch, maybe there was a breakout of a pimple, and it's not a perfect image, and you want it to look just a little bit better. Maybe you want to get rid of a couple wrinkles or maybe a piece of gray hair in the beard. So how you're able to get this done is, let's say that you have any type of image on your phone. As long as it has a face that is recognizable, then you're able to edit and get rid of those little blemishes. Now, the reason why I say a recognizable face is, let's say you try to take a picture of something and a face is really not there, it's not going to pick it up, and you're not able to unlock this little editing feature right over here on the right-hand side. So as long as it notices a face and you go inside of your gallery, you head to edit. When you move over to the right-hand side, this new one will pop up that's called Portrait. Now, inside of Portrait, you have a bunch of different things that you are able to change: your tone, the smoothness, you can change eyes, but these ones over here are the fun ones. You can also get rid of red eye. I haven't seen any images with red eye for a very long time, but if you happen to get one of those, you are able to fix it. Then this one right over here is where is the one that we're talking about today, which is Spot Fixer. So in this image, I mean, there's really not a lot to change. I mean, I'm not perfect. I mean, there is a little bit of something right there. Don't know what it is. Could be a pimple, could be something from when I was shaving. Now, the Spot Fixer, you can change the size of it. So I'm going to go with that size right there. Now, all I'm going to do is I'm just going to give it a small little tap, and then now you can see it is gone. Now, let's say that we bring this down just a little bit more, and then I notice that there is a gray hair right inside of there. Now it's gone. Let's say that we take a look at this little gray piece of hair there, and then now that one is also gone. So it's a way that you're able to spot fix and change just a few things. So this was nice because my son, he does have eczema, and there's a point where it broke out. I took a perfect photo of him, but there was just a little bit of redness on his face. I was able to clear that out in just a couple seconds with the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, and it was just fantastic. So this way you can go from a photo that has any type of small blemish or small thing you want to change, and you're able to get rid of it simply on your Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Now, when you are done with making any of these changes, make sure you hit on that little check mark on the bottom right-hand side. Then you head over inside of Save, and then now you have a brand new image. But I hope you guys have liked this video. If you guys did, please give this thing a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to hit on subscribe. Subscribe right over here in the very bottom left-hand side. And if you like this video, then more than likely you'll also like this video. And I'll see you guys later.
I got tons of soul, I'm a true collectible. Famous, so famous, #1 desirable. I do what I want when I want and how I want it. Leave you with the one in